Welcome back to Heartland. Today we're going to show you the new Pioneer RB215. It's a great couples layout, small package, but big on features. All Pioneer front ends are using a welded aluminum tube structure that's going to keep the integrity of the front end for years to come. Everyone else builds it out of wood, aluminum tubing, and it's welded. It's a great, great feature. Industry-leading battery storage as well for dry camping. And you notice on the pass-through storage, the same size door on both sides, and it's actually finished. And this has a Murphy bed inside. A rare, rare thing to give you a true pass-through storage with a Murphy bed. Usually does not happen. And it's also lighted at both ends, and you have a tire pressure monitoring system. With the tire pressure monitoring system, we install the A portion, the customer buys the B portion with their sensors on the wheels. They can pair it with their smartphone to be able to be aware of any concerns of air loss in the wheels when they're going down the road to prevent issues from happening when they're traveling. On the Pioneer, you're always going to find power stabilizer jacks, power tongue jack, heated enclosed underbelly, galvanized wheel wells, manual override for the slide out, and also this actually has an outside kitchen. So you have your refrigerator here, you actually have a pull-out griddle, which is a terrific space because it didn't steal all your space inside. And that's one of the things about outside kitchens. If they give you a really big outside kitchen, it takes a lot of space away from the inside storage. And we did not do that in this case. You also have TV connections for outside if you want to have movie night, have some friends and family over, things like that. And all the big windows that open and give you a sense to be able to be part of things outside here underneath the awning. Maybe you're preparing food or things like that, or cleaning up after a meal and you're having conversation, you can keep that going. Power awning with LED lights. You also have your storage tray, which is great. It folds down with the spare tire located on it. It's a great place for firewood, for bikes, coolers, portable generator if you want to dry camp, little things like that too as well. Backup camera prep up top. Then over around here, you actually have the outside shower with both hot and cold water. It's not a spray port, so you have both hot and cold water if you need it. Your power source and everything for shore power. Your ladder, this bracket actually here is for a telescopic ladder that hooks onto the bracket itself, and it opens up, enables you to get access to the roof. When you're done, unhook it, put it right back in its a small package, and you can store it in your compartment. It's a great, great feature. In addition to the slide out, which is a rack and pinion slide, which is the most trouble-free slide system out there in the industry. You also have slide topper prep. So you can actually put a slide out awning on this and keep debris off the roof when you're actually at the campsite. So you won't have sticks and twigs and things like that you have to clean off before you actually put the slide out in. And look how big this window is, and half of it opens as a slider. And the little one on the other side of the slide out, and then the dual windows for the bedroom. But again, pass-through storage. We have one, which most Murphy beds don't, and it's the same size door on both sides. Huge, huge feature. And when we don't do a Murphy bed, it's the largest pass-through storage in our whole price point at 52 cubic feet. So it's not a little bitty factor here as far as how our construction is and all the features that we give that retail customer. Coming inside the new Pioneer RB215, the Xtralogs grab handle, the fold-out steps for stability coming in or out. When you first come in, you actually have wardrobe space. And these are removable shelves on the side with a hang bar. So you can actually use this as a wardrobe or to be able to hang your coat when you come in the door, things like that too as well. Down below, open cavities for more storage. Your converter box with your fuses and breakers. When you come into the kitchen, this is a huge highlight. Number one, all the countertop space. Solid surface, clean for your family, undermount stainless double bowl sink. All the cabinetry, whole bank of drawers. There's a door here for a tall kitchen trash can, or also over here for a tall kitchen trash can. Tons of storage. The sealed drawers, so it won't absorb moisture. It's going to keep everything as far as the contents away from smelling musty and things like that, which is a common thing when it's raw wood because it absorbs moisture. On a Pioneer, you won't find that. Inside, you've got the IRV stereo with USB and Bluetooth and HDMI cable input as well. Your TV backer is here. It's usually on an arm. This is a really popular floor plan for a lot of couples that maybe use a fifth wheel when they do the snowbird thing and they go for long trips. And this is a shorter trip unit for them. They didn't give up a lot on the countertop space with the kitchen area. And that's one of the highlights that we've actually received feedback from retail customers talking about all that they get in a small package. Also in the kitchen, you have the 8-cube gas electric refrigerator. It also has a chalkboard front, so you can leave a grocery list, make a note for each other where you went or when you'll be back or what you have scheduled. Little things like that make it really convenient. And the fact that it's gas and electric, you can be dry camping and run all your other appliances on gas so you're not burning battery. The other thing too is that the jackknife sofa in the slide out. This slide out's a deep slide out. When it comes in, you have access to the refrigerator and the bathroom and the sink and everything else, so you can actually have lunch along the way without putting the slide out. Really great feature of a good floor plan when things are laid out that way. USB charging ports as well there. But then you not just have one jackknife sofa, you actually have two. And so now it opens things up to be able to socialize, have that conversation and everything else, and interact with each other. The TV location has backer here. They usually put it on an arm so you can actually see it from the bedroom or both sofas as well, and be direct facing. You also have the bar top. This actually gives you bar stools, so you can actually sit here, have your meal, or just entertain. Great place to put food out if you entertain with friends and family. Little things like that make a big difference in your use. And this is a small unit. This is under 26 feet long, and it's 5,400 pounds. Great benefit. It's a small package. It can get to almost any area that you want to go. You know, with the benefit of both of these sofas for multiple people on a rainy day, where's everybody going to go, all those types of things. Now, when it's sleeping time, you actually put the jackknife sofa down. You actually undo the Murphy bed, open it up, put the legs out over the sofa. Now it's time for sleeping and you're ready to go. The straps actually keep your bedding in place when you fold it up, so you don't have to make the bed every single day before you go to bed and put sheets on and blankets and everything else. When you're done, you're actually open this back up, barrel latch in place, and you're secured for travel. The jackknife sofa goes back up for day use, and you're ready to go. Inside here, you actually have USB, you have light, and you also have 110. So it's CPAP ready on both sides. It's also lighted, so when it's in the sleeping position, you don't actually have to turn the ceiling light on. You can actually reach in and turn the light on inside and not wake up who's sleeping next to you. Really convenient. And the nice large wardrobes give you a lot of storage space. You can charge your phone, read a book, all kinds of different things. Not to mention all the windows. In the bedroom area, you've got dual windows for cross ventilation, huge window in the slide out over the sofa. You actually have a huge window in the kitchen area also, and they all open for cross ventilation opportunities, and also to increase your view to bring the outside in. Inside the bathroom of the RB215, you have a radius shower. I'm 6'2", so you've got plenty of space inside. It's a radius shower if you're actually bathing the grandkids, things like that too as well. You can close the doors and actually help them when they're taking a shower. You also have a medicine cabinet with the lav sink, which is not real common. A lot of times they just give you a mirror, storage underneath there, and you actually have linen space. A lot of times on a small unit, this is one of the things that they forget to actually give you. Thank you for taking the time to view the new Pioneer RB215. We think it's huge on features, and we think it's a big contender in the market for small couples coaches. It gives you so many features and so many opportunities to be able to go to different places that you might not be able to get into with a larger unit. For more information, visit heartlandrvs.com. There you can find Pioneer and all the entire lineup of all the different floor plans and find the one that best suits you.